Okay, just wanted to explain to Frontier Developments that there's a bit of a bug here in the game. This is actually by far is a B&M Hypercoaster or Frenzy. I just whipped out a pre-made coaster. Like I do have a creation of my of a similar ride like this in my park. So the problem being is that this like every time it goes over the hills or whatnot, like it just makes the loud clickety clack noise. So let's well, other than the lift hill. So let's I'm just gonna give you a lead example. I'm just gonna turn the volume slightly up so you can hear the problem. So like when you go over these hills here, I don't know if you can see it, like when you go over these hills, it just makes a clicky clack. Or maybe it goes around the turns. Here it goes. There it was. I don't know if that clickety clack's supposed to be in there, so it doesn't actually happen to the other coasters. Well, it sounds fine other than the clickety clackiness. So here, let's exit this. Like, if I do the other coasters, like, let's say... let's see... Maybe, let's try this one. See if it does make the clickety clack noise. Again, this is another pre-made coaster in the game, so... Again, the lift hill sounds, and the sound effects work fine. Actually, let's speed that up. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this one sounds fine. Like, it's just the hyper coaster does that. I don't know why. So just gotta give you guys a heads up about the only glitch that's in the game. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.